first three terms of a linear sequence, which is another way of saying that it's an arithmetic sequence, or a sequence where the difference between each two terms is the same. We have 30 plus 4k, and 30 plus 8k, where k is a constant. Work out an expression in terms of k for the fourth term. Give your answer in its simplest terms, or simplest form. So we can see the first term is 30, then we have 30 plus 4k, and then 30 plus 8k, which means we're adding 4k each time. It stands to reason that the next term is going to be 30 plus 12k, which is this term plus another 4k. We're now told that the 100th term of the sequence is 525, and we want to work out the value of k. Well, let's think about the terms that we have so far. The first term is 30. The second term is 30 plus 4k. The third term is 30 plus 2 lots of 4k. And then the fourth term was 30 plus 3 lots of 4k. So the number of lots of 4k is always one less than the term number. So it stands to reason that the 100th term is going to be 30 plus 99 lots of 4k. And we know that's equal to 525. So 99 times 4, 396. So we have 30 plus 396k is equal to 525. So 396k would be 525 take away 30, that's 495. And so k will be 495 divided by 396. So we just need to see if that simplifies at all. So we've got 495 over 396, and that gives us 5 over 4. So k is equal to 5 over 4, or 1.25.